Everyone, and welcome to the Sunday night edition of Insider Financial Talk Stocks, where we're going to discuss our trading plan for Monday and also for the rest of the week. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also, click the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. So click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. You can sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you will get a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. This ebook covers a lot of the strategies that I talk about in these videos. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from insiderfinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up, leave a comment down below. I'm getting ready to redo the ebook. Please tell me if you've not already downloaded the ebook or signed up to get a free copy, do so. And tell me what you would like me to add, what sections in the ebook to help you with your trading. Also, if there are any stocks you want us to cover, leave that ticker symbol in the comment. I review and read all comments, and we'll see if it's worth covering or not. But strong week finish to the end of the week. It was a great week here at insiderfinancial.com. We had the CPI print on Thursday, came in lighter than expected, which was good news for the overall markets. The markets really liked it, expecting now that the Fed will not raise 75 basis points next month. They will raise only 50 basis points. I personally think the market's getting a little ahead of itself, but again, don't fight the tape. Don't fight the flow. We are, we had two great days, Thursday and Friday. Expecting some weakness tomorrow. Right now, the futures are down as I do this video, just slightly. So let's see how Monday shakes out. But one thing that I'm looking at right now, in terms of what's working right now, is the earnings plays. This week we nailed a few on towards the end of the week. MGNI, APPS, in GRWG. Our Wednesday watch list included also PIXY up 118% on through Friday in just 2 days. MGNI up 61%, QNGY up 58%, APPS up 38%, and GRWG up 35%. I mean, I got lucky with that CPI print. It basically, created the huge rally in the markets. Guys, I'd rather be lucky than, smart or anything. I'll take luck any day. Sometimes I think a lot of people, they not realize that luck does play a lot into your investment strategy. You try to eliminate increase the odds in your favor with trading setups and, creating a watch list and everything. But a lot of times, don't rule out luck. And sometimes, you just got to go with the flow. Sometimes you're going to be lucky, sometimes you're not. And the thing is, when you're lucky and you're hitting it, that's when you want to press. When things aren't going your way, learn to dial it back, trade less, and conserve more cash. As I said, what I'm looking at right now for this week is we got a few earnings plays coming up. I'll be designing options plays for our subscribers. First up on Tuesday will be Walmart. If you look back here in May, had this huge move here. The puts just absolutely banked. on earnings plays, what I like to do, I look for a setup that I can buy both a put and a call. You lose money on one, but if on these types of plays you're looking for the stocks that are going to have huge reactions, so that even if you lose on one, you're making 5-10 times your money on the put that works out. That's the one, that's the setup you're looking for. So you don't mind losing 100% if you're making 500%, 1,000%. So you'll take that any day. But on Tuesday we have Walmart. On Wednesday we have Target and Grab. Grab, if you look at the chart here, is really put in a multiple bottom here at 250. We broke through here. We're going to run into some resistance at 350, but we get above there and this thing's really going to run. It's got a 52-week range, 219 to 1715. For those of you that don't know, Grab is a Southeast Asian, it's like the Uber. Uber was actually in Southeast Asia and they sold their operations to Grab. So Grab is food, taxis, everything. It is losing money, but I know they've been trying to reduce the churn, the cash flow, the cash burn. So certainly let's see how they do this week with their latest earnings report. On Thursday, we got Alibaba, Palo Alto Networks, PANW, and then on Friday we got JD.com, which is a competitor to Alibaba, internet retail in China. So expecting fireworks there. We'll be looking for options plays for you guys. Got a couple of names for Monday also. COSM, this is one getting a nice bounce here. This CEO did a major buy at 12 cents last month. We're right here right now, trading higher in the after hours. Let's see if we can get a move in COSM this week. NINE, big week here. I've been talking about this one over and over again on the channel, and also for subscribers, you can go to our main channel on YouTube and then just go into the magnifying glass and you can search any symbol to get a sense of what I've been saying. I talked about this one last week. This was the weekend video, trading strategy for the week, and I talked about NINE, and this was a big winner. Let's see how well it did for the week. You go over here and you can see just for the week up 39% NINE. So again, we'll take it, and this is why, guys, it's so important to develop your watch list. You don't have to trade all these names, and then the key is right now, play the momentum, play what's running. Don't be going in and buying dips thinking that the plays are gonna, the dip buy is gonna reward you. One name that's really gonna hurt a lot of guys on this week is TXTM. I've talked about this one on the channel, guys. I've said it's buy the momentum, and when it's running, you got to play it, and then you stop losses. A lot of people here, this has been selling off over the past couple of days, and it's going to be brutal. They got the stock promotion badge, and then they got the caveat emptor, the skull and crossbones on Friday by the OTC Markets, and it's going to be ugly this week. So again, I have no clue what to tell you guys. I'm not staying 10 feet away from this one. Hopefully it all works out and everything. But a little piece of advice, I know a lot of people get into these ape armies, TXTM tribe. Guys, you don't want to be part of any tribe, army, or anything, social media, diamond hands, paper hands, BS. Get in, get out. 99% of these plays are pump and dumps, particularly on the OTC. You got to play the pump, get in, get out, move on to the next play. I am not in love with any OTC stock, never have, never, well, I was in the past, and it always cost me. So I never will make that mistake again. I will never fall in love with an OTC. I will play the momentum, get in and get out, and move on to the next play. This is not the 2020 to 2021 market where you just had everything running. You know, you had TSMP prior to the merger. That one ran like almost 30,000%. And then, you know, if you go and look at how Humble has done, it has just absolutely annihilated and just burned shareholders. So again, don't fall into these stories. You know, you want to play the catalyst. You know, a lot of these merger plays, you know, too, that right now CGRA, they've been posting on Twitter. They're getting ready. Was saying here, the company is set for a new chapter. The company said on Twitter, awaiting last bits to tie up. Financials posted November 1st. The company said we are still tracking to close a transaction initially set for month end. The company is working to file its quarterly early this week as part of the conditions to close that came up in DD. Otherwise, we're awaiting buyer instructions. Another one is WLAN. Twitter, OTC FinTwit has been all over this one. A lot of OTC players are in it. Sal Trades, Tigris, Moon Market, BMO, Blessed. He's been all over this one. So a lot of the FinTwit guys are in this one. Play the momentum. Don't go into the, I know a lot of you guys go into the DD and looking for signals and clues. Play the momentum, get in and get out. None of these plays are going to be the next Amazon. When people say they're doing due diligence on an OTC, a lot of it is just rumor and innuendo, and just, if you look at a lot of these OTC stocks, if you look at their financials, none of them, almost all of them, 99%, if you do a valuation, they're extremely overvalued. But, and that's why I like the reverse merger plays, because they have low floats. And, they can really run, because basically they're looking at the catalyst for the new acquisition. And that's what really fuels the move. Once the merger happens, or, right after the merger announcement, you move on to the next play. Humble, where everybody made their money, was actually in TSMP. When the transaction closed, that's when Brian and he became the CEO, and that's when he was able to turn the printing press on. Prior to that, it was just a shell. They couldn't issue stock. They had to close the merger. So it was basically just the free trading on the OTC. That's what everyone was buying, and that, you had a slow float, and that's what created the parabolic move. Everyone was excited for the upcoming merger, but once the merger happened, that's when Brian was able to just turn on the shareholder printing press. And that diluted and just basically killed everyone. So again, that's why, I can't stress this enough. Do not fall in love with any OTC stock. Your loyalty is to your family and to your bank account, or your Webull, or your trading account. Focus on that, and ignore the noise, ignore the social chatter, but be mindful of that. It's that it's out there. Right now, like in WLAN, there's a lot of good guys are talking about it, and they have big followings, and this will create a move. It already has. From 0.002 to a penny. Right now the RSI is a little stretch. We're at 69. We're up here at the top. Would I be initiating a position up here? No. But if you are in it already, I would certainly be using a trailing stop, and also please, if you didn't already, take some money off the table, take your initial investment off. This way, you're just riding free shares. So again, these are things I talk about in the ebook. Trying to add more to it. Like I said, click that link in the description, check it out. And we're here. We're a completely free service. We're just trying to help you guys as much as possible. Also, another thing is, what else are you guys looking for from us? You know, we don't run any Discord chat rooms, no Telegram groups. How many of you, I'm curious, are in Discord? Would you like for us to set up a Discord room for you guys? You know, which would be completely free. We would not do a paid, because we don't run any paid subscription service here whatsoever. So, you know, leave a comment if that's something you think you would like. You know, again, we're just trying to help you guys as much as possible here at InsiderFinancial.com, and we hope that, you know, our setup is, you know, our watch list, our alerts, everything brings value to you guys. And, you know, if you look at this, you know, our Wednesday watch list, it was posted. It was a great week. You know, we hit 9 from last week. You know, PIXY, MGNI, QNGY, APPS, GRWG. I mean, QNGY, it was a classic. It was, you know, it's textbook setup. You get it was a big board delisting. Stock, once it hit OTC, dropped 66%. That's because, you know, institutions, people that couldn't trade OTC, they have, you know, rules that they just need to liquidate. They liquidate it, and then, you know, once that selling was done, you get the bounce, and then move on. A couple of things. The other thing, one last thing that's going on in the markets is the FTX blow up. It is a major black eye on crypto. I'm expecting further weakness in crypto prices, but a couple of ways you can play it. First up is Silvergate Capital, symbol is SI. Has been absolutely just gotten beaten down. But the thing is, they have no exposure to FTX. FTX actually has money on deposit with Silvergate. So they have zero exposure to FTX. The market had been hitting SI really hard, thinking there was exposure. There is no exposure to SI, so that is indeed a positive. So expect a bounce in SI this week. For those of you that if you have money on an exchange, you're seeing what happened with FTX. If you're concerned about wallets or whatever, and particularly for you guys that trade OTC, one way to play it is GBTC. This is the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Dylan LeClaire has been talking about this, and he says here, all-time low percentage discount for GBTC at negative 43%. Cost equivalent of 9,666 per Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 16,000, so you're buying it as a discount. This has been an arbitrage play for a long time. And this guy replied, GBTC is trading at a discount for sure. Their BTC holdings per share at $16.55, market price per share $9.65. So again, there is a discount here. But again, I'm expecting the prices of crypto to still trend lower. But again, you know, if you're looking for a longer term play, you know, I still believe in the future of crypto for longer term. But I think the FTX fiasco is really going to hurt the industry for quite some time. And let's see how it all shakes out this week. But right now, there's a lot on my watch list in terms of Monday. Am I going to put anything new to work? I'm going to watch the market shake out, see what how I like things. I'll be posting a new video Monday after the bell for you guys. If I see anything in the pre-market that really looks exciting, we'll send out to subscribers. So click that link in the description, or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. As I said, the best part is completely free, guys. Can unsubscribe anytime. It will cost you absolutely nothing to sign up. Check out our content, our ebook. Again, it's all completely free. With that being said, I want to wish everyone good luck this week. Again, luck is a big factor when it comes to making money in the markets. We do our best to, you know, increase our chances of success. But again, a lot of times you just gotta, you know, count on luck, and hopefully it delivers for you. There are going to be times you're going to be lucky and you're going to have a good week. Other times you're going to have bad luck and have a bad week. But the key is you just keep on fighting, you keep on ticking, you keep on making trades, you keep on learning your process, learning yourself, and looking for those next big runners. With that being said, again, have a great night, everyone. Great week, and I'll be coming live to you Monday after the bell with a new video update. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.